Hello YouTube and welcome to another 360 video by 360 Guys. Today we are paying a visit to Starbucks located at Shops on Don Mills in North York region of the Greater Toronto Area in Ontario, Canada. It is an upscale, bustling lifestyle center type shopping center. The center is located on the site of the demolished Don Mills Center shopping mall. Increased competition from other shopping malls and the closure of the main anchor tenant, Eaton, brought a decline in mall revenues and exodus of many fashion retailers. The mall's owner-developer, Cadillac Fairview, decided to redevelop the site in 2003 to attract more upscale retailers and shoppers. We filmed this video during COVID, and so you can see the special precautions that Starbucks has taken to keep the staff and customers safe. For example, you can see the plexiglass dividers. If you order through the phone app, they will call you by your name and you can wait on the designated socially distanced and safe spots that have been marked on the floor. Starbucks locations all have a unified look, as you might already know. There are about 28,200 branches of Starbucks around the world, and it is considered the largest cafe chain store in the world. It was established in 1971 and has its corporate headquarters in Seattle's Starbucks Center. It is not a franchise, and all branches are obviously corporate owned. Well, we hope you enjoyed the tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you find yourself in our video, make sure to comment below. We're giving out prizes. Alternatively, if you're in the video and do not wish to be shown, we will gladly blur you out. Just let us know in the comments. Timestamp will definitely help. Remember that these videos are best viewed with VR headsets, and if you don't have one, click on our affiliate link in the description. It will definitely help our channel. Make sure to check out our channel regularly, as we will be posting at least one new video every week. There's more where that came from.